Hello friends, most welcome to your dream classroom, Hortus Botanica. Yes, myself your botany mentor, Dr. Mukesh Kumar. Today we are going to study very interesting conceptual data-based as well as numerical type of topic, and this is yes family of angiospermic plants. Here we will discuss first of all family, and I have created so many new questions I think you have not seen ever before, and approaches to study the family of angiosperms. Okay, so let's start first about this is the all topic what we discussed that this is the last topic, right? So we'll discuss here first semi-technical description of flowering plants, then description of some family. Here we have to study four family. You all know Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, and Liliaceae, right? Yeah. So let's see. This is the total family, four family, and out of that, don't worry, total we have only 28 examples. Usually, students are very fear of the examples. So don't worry, here we will study only 28 examples. 9 in Solanaceae, 14 from Fabaceae, and 5 from Liliaceae. Now let's see, what is the first topic, semi-technical description of flowering plants. So when you are going to study any flowering plants, means to say angiosperm, so you need to know their description. For that, what is given? Semi-technical description is given. Why it is semi-technical? Why not technical it is? Because here we need both floral formula as well as floral diagram in order to describe complete information of a plant, flowering plant. That's why it's called semi-technical. Not a single formula or floral diagram can give you all description of a flowering plant. That's why it's called semi-technical description of a flowering plant, right? Now, so see what is given, what is technique, scientific language, and what is the description of morphological features. This is called what? STD. This is called semi-technical description. So semi-technical description deals with description of morphological features. So what it will describe? Yeah, it will describe mainly 5 important information. First, what should be the habitat? Floral character, that is the, before that we have vegetative character, that is root, stem, and the leaf. You all know these are the what? These are the non-conservative part. Means to say they are not conserved, rather get modified. So what happened? It has no more importance, isn't it? So what is the very important character, which is conservative character? Yes, this is the floral character, where we will study inflorescence, flower, seed, and fruits. Then I told you we will study floral diagram and then floral formula. Now, what will be there in the floral diagram? Yes, we have to study the mother axis. What is the mother axis? This is a dot on the floral diagram. Suppose you are studying floral diagram, this is your gynoecium. Then outside you have endoecium. Outside you have corolla. And then outermost layer, what you have? You have the calyx. So if you are putting this dot here, then this dot is called as what? Mother axis. Isn't it? So this is the point of reference to study or identify the position of floral folds, the calyx, corolla, and stigmatization. Now we have get the information of floral parts. What? Floral part means calyx, corolla, and stigmatization. What should be their number? What should be their arrangement? And how they are associated, relationship. Mind well. Association means to say either calyx are linked to each other, means to say calyx are gamocephalous or not, or either calyx are free, polycephalous, like that it will be, or it is linked to other plant also. Then we all know the successive fold of the flowers, that is the calyx, corolla, and stem, gynoecium. So you all know this is the outermost, this is your outermost fold, okay? and the gynoecium is your innermost wall. Right? So question will come, which is the outer wall? Yes, this is your corolla, and which is the inner wall? This is your androecium. Right? So these are the successive wall from outer to inner. Now, then we have to study the floral formula. Here we will study some symbols, then fusion, adhesion. Adhesion, you know, this is the uh, uh, attraction of similar particle is called cohesion, and attraction of dissimilar particle, this is called adhesion. No, means to say if and callus is there and they are going to adnate to the gynoecium stamen, this is called adhesion. Okay, cohesion means to say if itself they have the stamens are there and they are fused to each other, this is called cohesion. So similar particle interaction is called cohesion, and dissimilar particle, dissimilar organelle flower host attraction is called adhesion. Right? Now, very important information given in the fifth part. What? There is some information given in FF floral formula, but not given in the floral diagram. Yes, very important question. And this is what symmetry of flower. Symmetry means to say either what it is, either it is the actinomorphic, or it is the zygomorphic, or it is asymmetrical. It is given in the floral formula, but it is not given in the floral diagram. Similarly, position of flower. You all know we have the three positions. Either it is the hypogyny, either it is the epigyny, or it is the perigyny. What should be the condition? This is given in floral formula, but not given in the floral diagram. Similarly, we have information given in floral diagram, but it's not given in the floral formula. Yes, my child. This is what? This is MAP. MAP stands for mother axis, estivation, placentation. These all are the information which is easily described in the floral diagram, but there is no any formula for such types of the characteristics. These are the important five information from your semi-technical description of the typical fabric graph. So question will come from this fifth part. This is very important. Question may come from this one, successive whole, right now, like that. Now, this is the all information given in NCERT, what I told you. Symbol, you all know about the symbol. This is what? Yes, this is the calyx. Then this is corolla. This is your androecium. This is your gynoecium. This is your male. This is female. When both are there, this is called bisexual condition. BR, you all know this is bract. BRL, this is called bracteole. EBR, this is ebracteate, means bract is not present. Then EBRL, ebracteate. So these are the some you have the formula. Similarly, in monocots, you all know we have no calyx and corolla. So what happened? We have the perianth. For perianth, what we have? P is given for the perianth, right? Similarly, if we're talking about the gynoecium, as I told you, we have the G, hypogyny, then epigyny, then we have the perigyny. Similarly, we are talking about the number. See, you are writing 2. It's the bicarpellary. Okay, under bracket, syncarpus. 1 monocarpellary, under bracket superior ovary, under bracket superior ovary. If we are writing upper, this is the inferior ovary. These are the symbolic expression. No. Similarly, if you are talking about endoecium A, you are writing 5. Yes, this is the stamens 5. But you are writing no A and they are fused. So A under bracket 5. They are the fused. Likewise, we have. Okay. Similarly, this is the common description what is given in this formula. And all the other information already I told you under the all 5 headings. Okay. Now, yes, my side, let's see the diversity. When we talk about the most primitive monocot, yes, this is the Orchidaceae. Okay. And yes, someone in some books it is also supposed to be the Liliaceae also, but most of the books are telling this is the Orchidaceae. And the most advanced one, yes, this is, you all know, this is the wheat family, this is Poaceae. Most advanced one in monocot, this is the Ranunculaceae, but this is in monocot I am talking about. In monocot advanced, and in monocot we have what? Dicot, what we have? We have this one, this is your Asteraceae. Asteraceae, you all know, this is the sunflower family. Sunflower family, right? So in dicot, in monocot. So monocot, primitive one is Orchidaceae, advanced is one the Poaceae. In most advanced monocot, yes, we have in dicot, what we have? The primitive one. This is your primitive one in dicot. I think sequence is different, and this is the advanced one in dicot. Okay, so better to say this is primitive in dicot, this is advanced in dicot. Right now, similarly, this is primitive in monocot, and this is primitive in, okay, primitive in monocot. Advanced in monocot. So advanced in monocot, wheat. Primitive in monocot, orchidaceae. Primitive in dicot, ranunculus, and advanced in dicot, this is the Asteraceae. Simple, simple. See, don't confuse. Monocot I'm talking. In monocot, what we have? Orchidaceae and Poaceae. I'm talking, this is the most primitive one, and Poaceae, this is the most advanced one. Simple. Then see, dicot, what we have? Yes, we have the ranunculaceae and Asteraceae. This ranunculaceae is the most primitive one, and Asteraceae is the most advanced one. Simple. So, very simple, right? Sequence symmetry have been written in other way. Now see, another very important is there the Leguminaceae. So Leguminaceae earlier supposed to be the family, right now earlier this was the family that contains subfamily, and that subfamily we have three one. What is that? This is the Fabaceae one, then this is the Pinaceae one, and Mimosierdae. So what are they have been classified on the basis of main three characters: cutting, then activation, and then cohesion. In cutting, Fabaceae is zygomorphic. Here also zygomorphic, but this is actinomorphic, right? Here activation, bacterial activation, you all know. Here imbricate activation, and here also bacterial. So this is not imbricate. Mind you, this is the characteristic feature. Now in cohesion, Fabaceae three family. What is this? This is the diadelphous condition. This is also diadelphous, but number is changed. Here 5 and 5 is here. Here 9 plus 1 is here, and here numerous stamens are there. So many stamens will be there. So these are the three important criteria on which this subfamily were described. But nowadays we are studying one and only Fabaceae. But question may come to you that on which basis these three family has been classified. This three family, right now, three characteristics. So see, in your Brassicaceae family, what happened? NCERT has only given this flower formula. Okay, this is the floral diagram given, and this is the floral formula given. Mind you. So question will come about the Brassicaceae. So what is there? See, you find here this is actinomorphic. Okay, bisexual flower it has. So see, this is your what? This is your stamens. Endoecium they are talking. So see, this is the hole. So in this you see, this is the outer hole, and this is the inner hole. So what you found? This endoecium is what? 2 plus 4 tetradynamous condition. Right? See, gynoecium when we are talking, so what we have? We have the bicarpellary condition. They are same carpus and superior ovary we have. Right? So here this is a very unique character. Always question will come. What questions are coming? See, this is the ovary. And what happened here? There will be a false replum. Due to this false replum, this is the false replum. What happened? There will be one and one. Means to say they will be bicarpellary. Okay, this is the bilocular condition. Bilocular. So if bilocular will be there, means to say they are also bicarpellary. Isn't it? So you find here they are bicarpellary. Two means bicarpellary, and two chambers. So bilocular we have. Okay. If this replum will not present, as in the case of Archimon, so what will happen? Yes, there will be only one chamber, only one locule will be, but no, we have. And here we have seen the ovules are there at the parietal region. So what this is called? This is called as aestivation, and this is the parietal aestivation, peripheral aestivation, placentation. Placentation. So here you find here, my child, the presentation is what? Parietal presentation it is. So question will come. Where the false replum are there? Brassicaceae. Where the parietal presentation is there? Only Brassicaceae. Out of the four family what we have to study. Then I told you about this one. This is called tetradynamous condition. So question will come. Tetradynamous. This is also unique character. Tetradynamous condition is there. Dynamous condition. This is also unique character in the Brassicaceae. Actually, Brassicaceae is tetramerous. The tetramerous means to say all the basic number, that is K, Pal, Callisto, Anderson, Vanusium, either it will be 4 or they will be multiple of 4. So this is the tetramer. So see, either there are 4 or 2, 4, 6, 8, that number will be there. Now see, corolla. What is given? Total number is 4. So see, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, they are called cruciform corolla. So cruciform is to say they are diagonally present, like that they will be present. See, this is the diagonal presentation will be there. This is 1, then this is this one, 2. This is 1, then this one, 2. So how much it is? 4 total number is there, and this is the diagonally present. This is called cruciform corolla. This is special type of corolla, and this is called as cruciform corolla, which is corolla, which is diagonally present like this, isn't it? Yeah. Then what we have? We have the calyx. They have 2 plus 2. So means to say they are found in 2 holes. See, this is the outer hole, this is the outer hole, and this is your inner hole. In outer hole, how many number are there? See, this is 1 number, and this is 1. 2 number. Here, this is 1 number, and this is 1. Means to say we have also 2 number. Let's end. So see, this is the outer hole, 1. Again, outer hole, yes, see, this is 1. Again, inner hole, this is 1. Inner hole, this is 1. So total how many we have? 2 inside and 2 outside. So this is your outer hole. First is also written as outer one, and this is your inner hole. So we found here outer hole we have 2 number, inner hole we have 2 number. Total 4 number we have. Then what is there? Yes, this is a bisexual. Of course, endoecium and gynoecium are there. So they will be the bisexual. And what happened? They are the actinomorphic also, right? So this is the very common floral formula, and description is there, which will come to your exam. And very most common examples we have is what? Yes, mustard, brassica, yes, brassica, compestis. Then we have radish, Raphnaceae. Then we have turnip, Brassica rapa. These are the very common plants, right? So from Brassicaceae, very common. Okay, so question will come where there is tetradynamous condition. All these 3 will be the tetradynamous condition. Right now, where the cruciform corolla will be there. Yes, all these 3 will be the cruciform corolla, right? Yeah, the same thing what I told you. Now let's see the second one is your Solanaceae family. This is the all cut and the collection of your NCRT. Okay, so see what is there. This is the common potato family. Solanaceae is what? Potato family. Where they are found? Tropical region, subtropical region, and even in the temperate region. Means almost everywhere they are found, right? Now what are they? They are mostly herb, shrub. Rarely they are trees. So mind well, they are rarely tree. No tree will be there, right now. So mostly they are herbs or shrubs, right? Here you found usually herbaceous. If there is no tree, so what natural hai? What will be there? There is no woody. So they are not rarely woody. So both are the same character. Okay. If not tree are there, how it will be woody? Now, usually they are aerial, erect, cylindrical, branch, and solid. Isn't it? Solid, not hollow. But not all the solid. Sometimes it is also hollow. Solid means to say, see, this is the stem, right? This is the two stem. One stem and this is your stem. But this stem is what? Hollow. Inside there is the empty space. But this is what? They are filled. They are solid. So this is called solid, and this is called what? Yes, this is called hollow. Okay? Very common example I have seen bamboo. Inside bamboo, what happened? Roots are there, no? And they are inside, they are hollow. Like that, it may be hollow. See, this is hairy structure. If this is the stem, suppose again, so what happens? They will find so many hair-like structure hairy, but might be possible there is no any hair smooth, so it will be smooth. So for smooth, what the word has been written in NCRT? Glabrous. Glabrous means smooth. It may be hairy or it may be smooth. Then what happened? You all know about the potato, Solanum tuberosum, and their underground stem, and this underground stem is called as, yes, you all know, tuber. This is the tuber, and this is the family name potato. Leaf. Leaf is what? Alternate. You all know alternate means to say from one node only one leaf will arise. So this is usually found in the simple leaf. Yes. But rarely, see, rarely there will be what? Compound leaf. So mostly what are they? Alternate, and alternates are usually what? Simple leaf. But they are telling, yes, rarely it may be beneath. X-stipulate means to say a stipule was present earlier, but now it is not present. So at this time, X means to say a stipule is not found. A stipule is absent. That's why it is called X-stipulate, right? You know, X friend, X MLA, right? So like X means present earlier, but now not present. Actually, what happens? See, this is the stem. And what happened? You all know this is the leaf base, and we are bearing what we are bearing? The stipule. So when the leaf is a very small condition, embryonic stage, they need the protection. For that, what we have? We got the stipule for their protection. But when the leaf is going to be mature, then we need not this one. So what happened? Usually, sometimes it is going to be fall down. So this will fall down. Now they don't have a staple. Earlier it was present, but now there is no staple. So this condition is called as what? Ex stipulate. Means staple was present earlier, but now it is not present. Right? Now this is what reticulate venation. You all know what? This is the dicot, and usually in dicot, which types of the stimulations are there? Stimulation is the reticulate, and you all know this is the pentamerous. Okay, pentamerous. So pentamerous means to say, as I told you, the basic number, that is calyx, flora, endosperm and gynoecium, it will be either 5 or in the multiple of 5. That's why it is called pentamerous, right? Now, so see, all character is clear. I told you again what? Plant, habitat, then leaf, stem and leaf. Now see the very conservative character, and that conservative character is called what? Yes, my dear, this is called your floral character. See, in inflorescence, they are solitary and axillary. Solitary, see, this is the single flower is there. Axillary means to say this is the stem, and if they are bearing a flower like that, so only single flower will be there. So this is the not at the top, rather at the axis they are arising from the axillary part. So this is called axillary. Single flower is there, so called what? Solitary. So axillary and solitary. And all know about the cymose. Cymose means to say what? Yes, the terminal flower will be there. It will grow basically, and this is found in Solana. Now, flower bisexual. You all know bisexual will be there, both male and female, and they are actinomorphic. Means they can be cut from any vertex passing through the center into two equal halves. Right? Now, calyx sepals are 5. Okay, they are united. So see, this is your calyx. This is your calyx. How the number is there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what happened? They are united. So see what they have written. They have written K, 5 and under bracket means they are fused. Total number is 5. So what will you say them? You can name them as pentagamocephalus. Pentagamocephalus. Similarly, see corolla. What they have written? Petals 5, which is also united, and valvate estivation. I told you na, valvate estivation means to say they are non-overlapping. They are non-overlapping petals and sepals, just in front of each other they are. So they are non-overlapping. And here also, what you can say, this is also pentagamopetalus. Okay, for the corolla. Now, next we have endoecium number is 5 and epipetalus. See, this is endoecium. Only 5 they have written. So see, count here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are fused too. So this is called what? This condition is called epipetalus stamen, because they are fused. This is called adhesion, what we were just discussing earlier. And this is fused to this one. So this is the corolla and fused by this one. Right now? And see, gynoecium, what is this? Is the bicarpellary. See, this is the misprint in your NCERT. They have written obligatory. This is not obligatory, my child. This is obliquely. Obliquely. Okay. So obliquely placed. Syncarpus. Syncarpus is fused. Okay. There are 2 number are there, so it will fuse. Superior ovary is there. Biloquial is there. Placenta is swollen, and many ovules are there. And which types of the placentation? Exile placentation. I want to make more clear about this. But gynoecium. Let's see. I am repeating. See, here I am telling you. What happened? Actually, this is the position. This should be the position. This should be straight. But what happened? In the case of Solanaceae, the placenta is going to be swollen. Due to swollen, what happened? The position will tilt by almost 45-degree angle. So you will find here like this. See, they are like this. This is the due to the swollen placenta will be there, and you will find this is your 2 chamber 1, and this is your 2 chamber we have. So this is what is this your ovary, which is obliquely present, so not straight, rather obliquely present. Okay, so they are obliquely present. And what happened? This is due to the swollen placenta. And here, what you have? You're finding we have the ovules. These are the ovules. Who will tell me how many chambers we have? Yes, one and one, two. So this is your bilocular. Two chambers, so bilocular. How many carpel? Number of chamber equal to number of carpels. So this is what? Yes, my dear, this is also bicarpellary. No, and what happened? This is G and 2 under bracket. So what is this? This is the same carpus condition under bracket. So what it is? This is the hypogyny, means superior ovary is there. Superior ovary are there. Hypogyny condition. Isn't it? So see, this is a very common character. Now here on axis there ovules are there. So this is called axial placentation. Axial placentation. So these are the key words for the gynoecium. Okay, of which family? Solanaceae. Solanaceae we are talking about. Okay, in the slide of BRASSICACEAE we were discussing. You are confused. So this is Solanaceae. I think now that whole character is clear. How this is bicarpellary and this is how bilocular, same carpus, superior ovary, axial placentation. Characteristic features, yes, the placenta, this is the solar one, and due to this solar one, what happened? They are obliquely present. Isn't it? Yeah. So I think now it's very much clear. See this diagram also given like that. No? Now, fruit is the berry and the, yes, capsule. Seed is many-seeded and this is your what? Endospermous. Again, this is very disputed condition, endospermous. Why it is endospermous? Generally, we have a character that if you have a dicot plant, so what are they? They are non-endospermic. And if we have monocot plant, then usually we have the endospermic condition. But here, this is the Solanaceae family, it is a dicot. Mind you, this is a dicot, already I told you. In spite of that, here we find the seeds is what? Not non-endospermic, rather it is endospermous. So why? Because they are non-starchy. This is a very unique characteristic features. They are non-starchy. Since they are non-starchy, so they appears in the seed. So this is called endospermous. Yeah. Now floral formula, all part I told you. Now once more I want to tell you again. Let's see floral formula. Yeah. Yeah. See. I am telling in this slide. So what I told you, see this is your actinomorphic, then what you have bisexual, then you have calyx, corolla, endoecium, and the gynoecium. Then what you found here? Here it is number 5 and fused, 5 and fused, only 5. Here number 2 under brackets, superior ovary. They are fused to this one. Easy? Easy? Got it? Yeah. Now let's see how we will draw these total things. See, I am drawing this one as the fuller formula. Let's see. So you found here. See. So after that, how many? See, how many we have? See, we have. I told you now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 5 corolla. So see, this is your 1. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is the 5th one. All in front of each other. So value, they are fused. So make them unite, they are fused. And from this, what happened? This is your 1, this is your 2, it's 3, it's 4, and my dear, this is your 5th one. Yes, the total we have how many? Yes, 5. And which we have? Outside we have again 1, then 2, then 3, and 4, and final, my child, 5th one. And what is this? This is your corolla. So see, how many corolla we have? 5 corolla, 5 calyx we have. They are also fused, so they can unite. So this is a very common, is it? And this is your mother axis. So here I told you about which one? Don't confuse again, my child. Doctor, this is about Solanaceae. So yeah, I am talking about here Solanaceae. I think floral formula is very much clear. And along with that, I drew what? Floral diagram too. Easy? Yeah. Now let's say my child the economic importance. So here I want to tell you for economic total how many numbers we have? Total 9. First, food. You have to make curry. Curry of potato, tomato, brinjal, and potato, tomato, brinjal. Three things. Okay. So tomato, Solanum tuberosum, Solanum lycopersicum, brinjal, Solanum melongena. This is also called as eggplant. Potato, we have Solanum tuberosum. Right? Chili, this is called capsicum annua. Then what we have belladonna, this is medicine called Atropa belladonna, and the name of the medicine is atropine. This is available in market. Similarly, second one is ashwagandha. Scientific name is what? Yes, Bethania somnifera, and they are given to increase immunity, strength. Got it? Now we have fumigatory. What the meaning of fumigatory? If we are going to purify the environment, so this is what? This is purification through smoking. Huh? Smoking is to say fog. Smoke create, not smoking is smoking of cigarette here. Remember in your house, your mother is burning some sticks during worship God, and very good smells are there, so make the whole environment very much pure. Similarly, when you burn the tobacco, they are very pungent because tobacco. So what happens? So many insects will not come nearby to that. So this is a type of also purification. And ornamental plant, decorating plant, we have the petunia. So see what we have again: make a brinjal, a curry, tomato, potato, brinjal. Add chili. Then more chili will be there, you will get problem. So what problem? Stomach problem. So what you need? Medicine belladonna. And immunity will lose. So for that you need ashwagandha. Then what happened? Your mother will purify everything. Oh, what happened with my son? So they will, yes, fumigatory, use the tobacco, and the ornamental we have petunia. So total how many plants we have? We have we have two, we have one. Total 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 3, 6 and 2, 8. Okay, so here total we have given how many plants? 8 plants we have given. Why divided to 9? It's 8. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right now, so we find here, total we have the 8 examples, right? Right. Very important. What happens? Sometimes questions will be there. Questions will be there, my dear, about the tomato. Nowadays, the very famous questions are there. They're telling you garlic, okay, or onion, and they will tell you how many genus are there. So both belongs to same genus Allium. So you will count Allium as one genus. Similarly, when you are talking about the tomato, so what happened? Earlier tomato was known as what? Solanum lycopersicum. Solanum lycopersicum. But after 68, the scientist Philippus Miller changed them as Lycopersicum esculentum. See, so this is the genus and this is the species. Here this is the genus and this is the species. So what you find? When you count here, so the genus is Solanum. When you count here, then the genus is what? Lycopersicum. This is changed. So it's very important. So be careful when you are talking about the genus. So you must follow according to the modern change. What? Lycopersicum esculentum. Isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, let's see. Enjoy the flower of the Solanaceae. See, this is your belladonna. Yes, Atropa belladonna. This is the very good flower. Ashwagandha plant. This is, and here this is the very good ornamental plant. This is Petunia. Right now, this is your ornamental plant. So this is the very important plant. Other plants are very known to you all know. Now let's see the family. We have the Fabaceae. In Fabaceae, what we have? You all know. Just I told you, this is the Perennial. Okay, early this is the family. First, we know them as the Leguminaceae. Then we have what we have. We have the Papilionidae. Nowadays, they are very commonly known as what? They are known as the Fabaceae. So see here, we have the tree, shrub, herbs, root. We have they have what they have. They have the root nodules. These root nodules are very important for the nitrogen fixation. You all know this is very common. Now, they may be erect or climber because they are soft. See, this is the tendrils they have. So if tendril will be there, they help in the climbing, right? Then they are alternate. Means to say simple lip will be there, might repeat, pinnate means compound lip will be there. And very characteristic features, pulvinate leaf base. Pulvinate you all know, this is your leaf. The leaf will have the leaf base and it will be swollen. The swollen leaf base is called pulvinate. So this is the characteristic features. Now stipule is produced, so stipulate. And again, I told you this is your pentamerous. So it will be 5 or in the multiple of 5, first point. And second, there are also dicots. Okay, now, so this is your common character. Now we will talk about the flower. This is the racemose type, bisexual, actinomorphic. We have 5 sepals, they are fused or gamo. They may be valvate or imbricate as division C. This is your calyx one, this is calyx found in front of each other. So this is your valvate estivation. Corolla, this is your 5 petals, poly petalous condition. See, this is total number 5 is here, but second one is 2. Others are 2 are free, so they are supposed to be the polypetalous condition. And this is called papilionaceous estivation. That is called maxillary estivation or papilionaceous estivation. Same thing it is. Okay, also called a standard estivation, also called descending imbricate estivation. So you find here a standard in the posterior. You all know. Remember, this is your position 1, 2, and 3. Right now, so they are what? They are fused. So this is called what? Keel or carina. I told you. This is called wing or alley, and this is called what? A standard or vexillum. So this position is what? This is your posterior position, and the lower one, this is your anterior position. This is the middle one or the lateral position. Total number here, 1 number here, 2, here also 2, but they are fused. So this is a very common question come from this part, right? Yeah. Now endoecium, total number is 10. See, this is 9 plus 1, total number is 10. And they are diadal first. You should say, see, this is your 1 hole, larger hole, total number is 9, and here single hole, 1 is there. So they are diadal first. Now what are their? Answer is dithecous. Dithecous means to say they are bilobed. And if they are bilobed, so how many sporangia will be there? Total 4 sporangia will be there. So they are called tetrasporangiate condition. Gynoecium, yes, superior gynoecium will be there. Monocarpellary, you all know this is your single chamber we have, and yes, we are showing here ovule at this part margin. So one locule, monocarpellary, unilocular, and maybe one or many ovules will be there. Okay, style will be the single because it's a monocarpellary. Fruit will be legume, seed you all know one or many, and they are dicot, common character. This is called endospermic. This is not exception like the Solanaceae plant. Right, this is your formula, and these are the, yes my child, these are the economic importance. Okay, so it is total economic importance is there, but they have not given the scientific name also. But in your Neet examination, questions are coming from the scientific name. So let's see. So total here we have 14 examples. Right now, what we have? We have pulse, edible oil, dye. Okay. Then we have what? Fibers, fodder, ornamental, and medicines. See, here we have gram, cycleratinum, arhar, casanus casson, shame, dolicus leveler, mauve, vigna radiata, then soybean, glycine max. So these are the scientific name. Then we have edible oil, that is what? Soybean, same, glycine max, and groundnut. Scientific name is Arachis hypogaea. This is also called a geocarpic fruit. Geo means underground. Geocarpic fruit. Okay. Now dye color, that is the indigo, Victoria, it's blue color. You all know indigo flight color is blue. Now what happens? Fiber by sun hemp there, and this is your Crotalaria julcea. Fodder, this is used as fodder. In August plant, common name, scientific name is what? Sesbania grandifolia. And the common name white clove, and this is called trifolia. Isn't it? Ornamental plant, lupin, this is called lupinus, and sweet pea, scientific name is Lephirus odoratus. Then mulethi, common name is the mulethi, scientific name is what? Glycyrrhiza glabra. they have a very good medicine for the stomach problem. In the plant, a specific chemical is glycinic acid, GZA. This is very important for the medicinal use. Right? So this is the yes family. See, this is your Sisbania. You can never forget how beautiful flowers they have, Sisbania. Then trifolium. Yes, these are the trifolium. But both are used as what? Yes, my dear, for the fodder. Here, what this is? This sun hemp. They are used for the fiber. Right now. Then what we find here? Indigofera, ornamental. Lupin, again ornamental we have. This is for dye, you all know. Leaf color. This is ornamental lupin. This is the mulethi, which is a very good medicinal plant. Okay. Now liliaceae we have, but before that again I want to make you more clear about their floral formula and floral diagram, so that you will feel very easy right now. So here I am drawing the floral formula, floral diagram of what? Fabaceae in front of you. What I told you, see, zygomorphic. So here I am talking about Fabaceae. Zygomorphic, what I told you, bisexual. Then calyx we have 5 and fuse pentamerous. Corolla we have 1 plus 2 plus 2 and fuse. Endoecium we have 9 under bracket, then plus 1. Outer hole, inner hole, outer hole 9 and fuse, inner hole single 1. Gynoecium we have 1 and superior. Right? So this is your, this my child, this is your floral formula. Now diagram. Central, what I told you, see, this is your ovary. We have drawn single chamber and this is one ovule. Then how many? 9 outside, 1 inside. So see, this is your inside, 1 outside. What we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is your outside. Mind well, they are few, so make them unite. Okay, this is inside. Now outside, then what we have? We have this one, estimation. So see, total 1, this will be the largest one. Then this is 2, this one, and again inside that there will be this one. But what happened? They are fused like this, right now. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 2 and fuse. And this is what? This is my dear structure. See, this is your corolla. Got it? Yeah, this is the corolla and the fuse. Now outside what we have? We have the calyx 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5. So what is this? This is your 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They are also united, so they are fused. Got it? And what we have? We have the model axis, right? So you find here, this is the complete formula and flow diagram. Easy now? Easy? Yes, my child, very easy. Now let's see the last family. Yes, my child, this is the Liliaceae and this belongs to monocot. So this monocot, again, they are trimerous. What the meaning of trimerous? They will be either in the 3 number, they have no calyx corolla, so perianth, endoecium and dinoecium. So what happened? Either they will be 3 or in the multiple of 3, this is called trimerous condition. Okay, so this is called lily family, right? They are monocot representative family, widely distributed in world. They are perennial herb. Perennial herb means to say they survive for several seasons. Very unique character. Usually herbs are not perennial, and this is the unique character for this lily family. Liliaceae, they are herbaceous. Now underground stem will be there, like the bulb, you know, onion, then corn and rhizome. These are the very common characters. Leaf usually basal. See, the leaves are there. How they are rising from? This is your onion, and as what you found, this is the stem. This is your stem. This is your bulb. Okay, so this is the bulb, and their leaves are there. So they are basal position. Alternate. They are linear. Linear means a straight line is there. Yes, this is the linear. X stipulate means the stipple present earlier, now not present, and parallel. When I said this is the character of all monocots here also. Now. Inflorescence, solitary it is, cymose, and umbellate cluster. Cluster means what? Cluster means in group. They are found in group. And umbel means to say, yeah? See, this is your umbel character. This whole character is umbel. Umbel means to say, this is your type of racemose, not cymose. Okay, this is type of racemose inflorescence. So see, this is the floral axis, and they have got suppressed roots. And a number of pedicellated flowers will arise from this suppressed axis. So this is called umbel. Okay, so umbel like that, umbrella type of structure. Okay, umbel, and this is found in the spicy plants or family. See, this is the bisexual and the actinomorphic, very common character. Variant number 6, 3 plus 3. See, count it. 3 is to say what I told you. I am writing here again. See, this is your what I told you. Brag they have given. Then what they have given? Actinomorphic. Then we have bisexual. We are talking about period. What the period number is, my child? See, 3 plus 3. So this is your outer hole and this is your inner hole. So see, count outer hole. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Inner hole 3. Count it. 1, then 2, and then 3. So total 6 we have. Outer hole 3, inner hole 3. Okay, and all are fused under brackets. See, this is fused. This is fused. So what I found, all are fused like that. Right? So they are fused. Now what we have, endoecium also 3 plus 3. But they are free. So see, this is from 1 outside, 1, 2, 3 from inside, 1, 2, 3. Total how much number we have? Yes, my child, 6 we have. Now gynoecium we have 3 fused superior. See, this is, I am drawing again. This is your axial placentation. So this is tricarpellary condition, and this is the axis where what happened? These ovules are there. So this is axillary placentation, isn't it? And you found this is tricarpellary, trilocular, and axial placentation. So this is written gynoecium, tricarpellary, syncarpus, superior ovary, trilocular, many ovules, axial placentation. Fruits, capsule or berry, usually capsule. And this is the endospermous, because I told you that this is a monocot, and usually monocots have what? Endospermous. No exception. It's a very common character. So this is your all about the floral formula. Now floral diagram. What the floral diagram I show you? This is the floral diagram. Now let's see the economic importance, my child. So when we talk about the economic importance, see. So this is your, remember, T-Jack. What I say? T-Jack. Go T-Jack. Near one Jack. In lily garden. Right now, so this is a mnemonic to remember. You have to visit lily garden. Where? Near Vijay. To go T-Jack. Go means, yes my dear, go means garlic we have, and O for onion. Two plant cities, okay. Then T-Jack. T-Jack means what? T for tulip, gloriosa, asparagus, aloe vera, and colchicine. This colchicine is a very common, very important plant which is used to double the number of chromosomes. If you have a crocell having 12 number, by use of colchicine it will be what? 4n. So this will just double the number of chromosomes. So here tulip and gloriosa used as the ornamental plant. Aloe vera, this is the medicine, you all know. Then asparagus is the vegetable plant, and colchicinum autumnale, this is the colchicine. Okay, this is also taken as the medicine. Right? So see, meet my child, very good. This is the tulip, yes, ornamental. Colchicine, very beautiful flower it is. And gloriosa superba, this is the plant. It is the asparagus here, and here this is the aloe vera. Right? So very interesting, very important, and attractive. Right now? Now see, this is the comparative study. Yes, my child, this is what? You all know this is your Solanaceae. Okay, just I discussed. This is what? Who will tell me? Huh? No. This is not Solanaceae. I was confusing. Tell me. Yes, now you are right. This is your tetramerous condition. Brassicaceae. No, which is your Solanaceae. Next one, tell me what is this? Yes, right you are. This is your FABACEAE. And this is, yes my dear, this is LILIACEAE. Got it? So this is a floral diagram and this is a floral formula. Isn't it? So many questions will come like that. How the question will come? Question will come, tell me how many accessory holes are there? How many accessory holes? Mind well. Who will tell me? How many accessory holes are there in LILIACEAE? See, this is 2 and 2, 4 plus 4, total 8 accessory holes. Here how many accessory holes? 5 plus 5, total 10 we have. Here how many accessory holes we have? Tell me, who can tell? This is your 5 and 5, total 10 it is. Here tell me what? 6, only 6 we have. Similarly, question will come. Tell me about the reproductive hole, necessary hole. So how many necessary holes are there? See, count. This is your 6 plus 2. Total how many? 8. So question will come. In which family number of accessory hole and number of reproductive holes are the same? Right now, so see here how much we have? We have 8, and here also 6 and 2, 8. Very unique number we have. But here, wow, what is the number? See, here it is 5 and here it is 2. So 5 and 2, yes my dear, this is 7. Right now, here total number 10 plus 1, 11. Here, okay. Here, what the number? This is your 6 plus 3. This is your 9. So, see, this is different number. This is also different number. And this is also different number. Where it is same? Only the brassicaceae. So, question will come to you. Very interesting. Right now, so likewise, a very unique numerical type question also we will discuss today. Let's wait. Now, this is a comparative study. What I told you. Already I told you. Right now, this is your brassicaceae. In one nutshell, this is your solanaceae. Right? This is your FABACEAE, and finally this is LILIACEAE. Right now, so what I have written: BS bisexual epilomorphic, K4 calyspore, VL value estimation, DA diadephous condition. This is what? Yes, see, this is your LILIACEAE, tricarpillary, trilocular, tricarpillary, and what we have? Axial placentation, AP axial placentation, MP marginal placentation, AP axial placentation, PP pedal placentation. Isn't it? So like that. See here what we have. This is the bilocular. Why? Because FR, false replum is here. Here what is this? Is non-endospermic dicot. Very common character. But in Solanaceae dicot, but this is not non-endospermic, rather endospermic. I told you due to the non-starchy condition. Okay. Yes. Now this is the flow formula and flow diagram. Okay. So many things I told you about this one. This is a comparative study, right? Now, yes, my child. Now let's discuss very interesting some question. Problems, okay, for family. What now? We have to discuss this one, flower plant. See, very important question. First question is talking. Let's change the color. Yeah. So they are talking about the inflorescence of pea flowers. So in P, what we have? Remember A 9 under bracket and plus 1. Okay. How many flowers we have? 20 flowers. They are talking each anther lobe. Mind you, here actually in anther lobe, what happened? You remember we have this anther lobe like this. So we have two chambers. 1, 2 lobe. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many we have? Yes, my dear, we have total 4 sporangia. So in each one, how many 2 will be there? So that talking in each. So we will consider only 2 out of 4. Mind you. So how many pollens? 20 pollens. 80 pollens we have. So take a solution. Let's start. P total number here. But they are talking about not the endosome. We will talk about all the endosome. We will consider 10. But they are talking about only larger staminal bundles. So which is the larger staminal out of 2 1? 9 1. So see, we will take first 9. How many flower? 20. Take it 20. Now, anther total will be 4, but each lobe we are talking 2. How many pollen? 80. It's 0. Now when we multiply, what will you get? Yes, we will get 28800. That's so. What the answer? This is your answer. Very interesting now. Yes, this is the solution of question number 1. Now see, second question we have. What we are talking? We have to find out which one is the incorrect. Brassicaceae flower sporophylls. Sporophylls means to say it may be microsporophyle or it may be megasporophyle. Mind you. So micro means to say brassicaceae they are talking. So remember in brassicaceae what we have? 2 plus 4, and gynoecium what we have? We have 2 under bracket under. So what we have? So they are talking number of sporophylls in flower of brassicaceae is 8. So see, 2 plus 4 total 6 plus in gynoecium 2. How much it is? It is 8. It is correct. Okay. Now see, total number of floral leaves in brassicaceae is 5. Let's see, they are talking total number. So what is the total number? Calyx, corolla, endoecium and gynoecium. Here we have 5. Sorry, 4. Here we have what? 4 means to say how this is found. Remember, this is your 2 plus 2. No, 2 plus 2. Here we have 4. Here what we have? 2 plus 4. Here what we have? 2. So total number how much it is? See, this is 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. How much number? 4 plus 4, 8. 8 to 10 and total number is 16. But what they are talking? This total number for they are talking 5. So this is wrong. And here this is correct, my child. See, this I counted the total number is 16. This is correct one. Now that will be the number of carpel in Brassicaceae is 2. Yes, this is 2 now. So it is 100% correct. So what is the incorrect one? Yes, my dear, 2. One is the incorrect. Very interesting question. Like the physics numerical type question. Enjoy. Letter 1. See, second question. Question will come. What? How many plants given in this one? You have to find out marginal presentation. So remember which is the showing marginal presentation? Fabaceae family. So you have to find out how many of them are the Fabaceae one. Right now, so see. We found Fabaceae one. See, mustard, no. Gram, yes. Okay. Tulip, Tijat, Liliaceae family, no. Asparaceae, no. Arhar, yes, it's a dal. Sun hemp, yes, it is. Chili, no, this Solanaceae family. Colchicine, Asparaceae, Liliaceae family. Onion, Liliaceae family. Moong, yes, this is dal. Tea, yes, this is. Tobacco, this is Solanaceae family. Lupin, yes, this is ornament. Now count how many? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, total number is how much? 6. In this way, you have to learn the example and find out the answer. Now, fourth question. Among this plant, so many plants are there, you have to find out hypogynic condition. How many of them hypogynous condition? So, hypogynous, what you have to know? See, this is your hypogynous, superior ovary. So, in superior ovary, all family. How many family have to say? Brassicaceae? No? Then what we have? Solanaceae, Fabaceae, and Liliaceae. We found here in all most of the cases, what are they? They all have what superior ovary. Superior ovary you have. Right now, you have superior ovary. Right? So remember what we have in the epigyne? Jukurasan. Jukurasan. What is Jukurasan? Guava, cucumber, grape, fruit of sunflower. Then what is the pedigynous? PRP, plum rose peach. So just you have to count where they are not present. So see, bitter gourd, these are the cucurbitaceae. This is not possible. Mustard, yes, brassicaceae. Brinjal, solanaceae, correct. Pumpkin, this is again come under the cucurbitaceae family. Cucurbitaceae there now, so this is not possible. China rose, yes, malvaceae. Lupin, yes, this is your family from Fabaceae. Cucumber, no. So, sun hemp, yes, Fabaceae. Gram, Fabaceae. Guava, no. Jukurasan, guava we have got it. Now, bean, yes, no problem. Chili, Solanaceae family, yes. Plum rose peach, not possible. So, this is not possible. Petunia, Solanaceae. Tomato, Solanaceae. Rose, no. Plum rose peach is there, not possible. Now, what is Bethania? This is Liliaceae, okay. Potato, okay. Liliaceae family, onion, aloe vera, Liliaceae, okay. Tulip, again what we have, this is your Liliaceae, okay. This is also correct. Tijak, Liliaceae family. So how many corrects my child? See, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So total number how much we have? Yes, 15 we have right now. So we'll get here total number. So in this way, what happened? What should be the number is given? Don't worry. Just check what is not given. The total you have to count from here. 3 example, plum rose peach. And from here you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So here how many name is given? 3 numbers. But here what is the unique one? Jukurasan. Cucurbits are there. Remember I told you the gourd. Okay. So in the case of gourd, remember we studied, we have 3 members. Pumpkin, watermelon, and one more. Tell me. Yeah, bitter gourd is also there. Watermelon, pumpkin, and cucumber we have. Right now, so we will count like that. Easy? Yeah. Now let's see another question. Match the following color. Basal and nail layer. Who will tell? Yeah, Liliaceae. Which one Liliaceae? Yes, it is yours. Onion. Persistent calyx. Yeah, persistent calyx means to say. Actually, what happened? We have calyx. It is of 3 types. One is called caudicus. Caudicus means to say they will fall down with the origin of flower. One we have decidicus. Decidicus means to say they will fall after the origin of flower. And one is called persistent. Persistent means to say they will still along with the flower. So they are always present along with the flower. Before flower, before fertilization, after fertilization also. Now, persistent calyx. So this is what persistent calyx is found in Solanaceae family. So Solanaceae is Makoi, Solanum, Makoi. Diadelphous condition, this is in Fabaceae B. And fragile presentation, this is in the mustard. Very easy, right now. You can match this with like characteristics. Now see, replum, I told you replum found in where mustard. No, this is the condition where you divide 1 and 1, 2. Now see, the next question we have. We have to find out what? How many of them have the valvate estivation? Remember again, how many of the valvate estivation? Valvate estivation is the characteristic features of Fabaceae. Just that. Do you remember Fabaceae family? Calotropis? No. Tulip? Yes. Sisbania? Yes. Asparagus? No. Colchicine? Yes. Sweet pea? Yes. Petunia? No. Indigo, yes. Mustard, no. Soybean, yes. Potato, no. Tobacco, no. This is Solanaceae. Groundnut, yes. The total count, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right now, this is the answer. Right now? Yeah. Now see, very interesting question again. Number of sporangia in a flower of Brassicaceae, like mustard. Yes. So we have further 3 more questions. Very interesting. In Brassicaceae. Microsporangia they are talking. So in Androecium, what we have? We have tetranymus 2 plus 4. Total number 6. And they are talking what? In Brassicaceae. Total number is 6. And what they are talking? In a flower. So in one flower they are talking. So in one, how much we have? Is this? Yes, 6 we have. So how many chambers will be there here? Here, 4, 2 chambers. So 4 sporangia. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 into 4 total number. Yes, it will be 24. So what should be the answer? Answer will be 24. Now next question. You have to find out incorrect match. Very interesting. Very interesting, my child. See, they are talking Petunia. Petunia is Solanaceae. Remember. So in Solanaceae they are talking sporophylls. Sporophyll means to say what? Male and female both will come. So male, what I told you here, it is your 5. Female, we have 2 under bracket this one. So how many total number? 5 plus 2. This is how much? 7. So this is correct. This is the correct one. Now, total number of reproductive holding garlic. Remember, garlic is your Liliaceae family. Liliaceae. So in Liliaceae reproductive they are talking. Okay? Reproductive means to say same. Sporophyll they are talking. Only what is changed. So what will happen? Liliaceae what we have? A 3 plus 3. Gynoecium 3 under bracket this one. So total number how much? This is 6 plus 3. Total how much? 9. This is total. This is not 9. How much they have given? 12. So this is the wrong answer. It must be how much? It must be 9. Now, total number of floral leaf in trifolium. My dear, trifolium is what? This is Fabaceae. So in Fabaceae, what is the total number? They are talking about the total floral leaf. So total we have to count. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Here how many we have? 5. Here 1 plus 2 plus 2 and under bracket. Here 9 plus 1 under bracket. Here 1 under bracket. This is. So total how much this is? See, 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 1. How much? This is 21. So see how much it is? It is 21. This is all correct. So very interesting, no? Yeah. Now number of united accessory organ. Accessory organ means what? Calyx and corolla. United means they must be fused. In soybean. Soybean again, Fabaceae family, Fabaceae. So they are talking accessory. So see what we have? Calyx. How much? 5 and fused. Corolla 1 plus 2 plus 2 and fused. But remember, this is only fused and this is one fused. So 5 plus 2 total how many fused? This is 7. So the answer is what? 7. This is correct. Otherwise, this is free and this is free. So it will be not counted among the accessories. Very interesting and new question completely today I create for you. Okay. Now the very last and very interesting again question. See, total number of microsporophyll. Means to say you are talking about Androecium in radish. Radish is Brassicaceae family. So what is this? 2 plus 4. Tomato, what is this? This is Solanaceae family. This is A5. Okay. Now Moong is your Fabaceae family. This is A9 and plus 1. Gloriosa, Liliaceae, A3 plus 3. They are talking. So total number how much? Count it. 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 6. Total number 11 and 10. 21 plus 6, that is 26. 7. See. Right now, very interesting. So, likewise, my child, question will come from the family. Okay, my dear. So, yes, that's all for you. And I think you enjoyed this one. Go through this whole lectures, and I think you will get no any problem from this family. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's enjoy this botany for the next class and be a great doctor because we need great doctor to serve humanity and make our India as a global strongest country, developed country. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Have a nice